Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change LED light mode for your headphones Logitech G933. You have to start by open Logitech G Hub application. And of course you need to add your headset to the app, then you will see it at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones. After that, you need to go to the light thing at the left side. And now, firstly, you need to disable dynamic lights for window to customize it. Right here we have 5 presets. You can select the best one for you. You can also go to advanced settings, it's up to you. Let's say I wanna select a breathing. Right here we can select a color, so I want green one. And we can also set right here a rate, so I guess that's okay for me. And brightness I wanna also lower to 50%. Then let's move to the logo, and in the same situation we have 5 presets here. This time I wanna fix it, and I wanna set it to purple. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.